Okay, so counting the weeks here in June in my bullet journal, when you count the 1st and the 30th, there are technically 6 weeks in June. And I'm making this game a little extra harder for myself just to push myself even more. So anyway, we're in the 4th week of June right now, which means it's time to get rid of 4 things from my apartment. But I'm going to focus on the bathroom because this is the one place that I do find that I feel very cluttered. Now my bathroom is a mess. So I figured I would also do a clean with me. That way this is another opportunity that in case you live in a messy environment or you just make a mess and you also want to declutter at the same time, this is a great way to go about doing so. So here is my bathroom as is, and I need to most definitely clean the countertops and get rid of a bunch of stuff. What you don't see is a lot of stuff too, but let's clean this off first. Let's get organized first as much as we can and then declutter. Awkward little angle that I have you guys at, but hey, we're here. So this is what my countertop looks like, and obviously it is less than desirable for anyone. A lot of this is here just because I haven't really fully moved in yet, and I'm not going to be here next year either. I thought my moving thing was going to be done for a while, but I don't like living here. So I'm not going to worry about design in this space so much. But I do see here that there is one item that I don't use anymore, and it's this Declutter toner. And I just never use this. I never reach for this, so this is gonna go. I also know just off the top of my head, because I reach into it constantly, that I have a lot of hair styling products, but I only do 2 things to my hair. I flat iron it and then I put a wave in it, and that's it. I don't curl it. I don't do anything. So with that being said, here is a basket of hair shit that I have accumulated throughout my career as a makeup artist. I worked on a few shows for Redken, and it was for their symposiums and artist connections and things like that. So because I worked really closely with Redken for a while, I was able to walk away with tons of Redken This is nothing from what I used to have. I actually got rid of close to 100 items of hair care, and that was the big purge that I did before I did the recent big purge. So now I'm gonna do yet another purge, and off the top of my head, there is this curvaceous curl refiner with a hair attached to it. So here's this curvaceous curl refiner. There was a moment when I had long hair that I wasn't like blow drying it and stuff. I was just letting it air dry, and my hair is so texturized that I needed to do something. So I would use this. I would use this. This is the high rinse volume, the curvaceous curl refiner, and then I would use this, the curvaceous full swirl. So this is stuff that's for curly hair. These two at least. I don't use this ever, so that's gonna go. The high rise volume for high lift and hold. This is like a gel, and again, I don't use gel. What am I gonna use gel for? So that's going. Gosh, I have a lot of stuff in here from, like, you know, a lot of bottles of Beauty Blender cleansers in here. I have some, you know, pillow proof, which I do enjoy using. There are other things in here. Well, I guess I can, just as a bonus, get rid of this sea salt spray. This is the part where it's like, okay, I only need to get rid of 4 items, and I already have them here, but like, I have sea salt spray. Well, I only have 2? I thought I had another one. Oh, wow, I only have 2 now. I have a Pureology sea spray, and then I have this Mother's Beach Babe sea spray. Again, sprays I don't normally use. Let me see. Best thing to do is just try them out. See what you think. Oh, I do not like the smell of this one. It's coconut. I don't like the smell of coconut. And I don't think I like this. So as a bonus, I'm gonna get rid of that. Now my hair has some junk in it, which that's another thing too. I don't even know if I like the way sea salt feels in my hair. So why am I keeping it? It's like for that one random moment, right? I'm just gonna, for now, since I only have to get rid of 4, I'm just gonna do that. And I still have here a bunch of different products. Like, I think the next round, because I'm just not quite ready to get rid of these yet, the next round I may look at these things by Redken. The Duo Shield, which is a color protecting gel cream, which I do color my hair. The smoothing lotion, which is really great to use, I guess when you blow dry your hair, but I actually like the cushioning blow dry gel, the velvet gelatine, because this one makes your hair feel really soft as you're blow drying. So why do I have this one? The protective smoothing lotion, which is to smooth out medium to wavy hair types, aka me. Defrizzes brilliantly while adding control, ideal for blow dry prep. So create beautiful blowouts while helping preserve color vibrancy. Again, this is gonna have some sort of style factor, and I normally just flat iron the hell out of my hair, so I'm gonna go ahead and call this a win for today. I'm gonna save this for now because I'm not quite sure yet. And yeah, I do have a lot of products in here, but the fact that I was able to maximize this, I try not to go over the amount I'm supposed to get rid of in the week because I don't want to, like, you know, get to an uncomfortable spot. But at the same time, the idea is to get rid of everything to the point where it starts to get uncomfortable. Like, did I say that weird? Whatever. Like, you want to be able to purge as much as you can so that when you look at your space, you're like, this is what I want. You know, it's not about being a minimalist or anything like that. It's about just living clutter free. So eventually this game, if you do each item per week, you know, like week 4, 4 items, week 5, 5 items, the week 6 and the week 1 does overlap with the previous and coming weeks, right? I treat them as new. That's my extra fun challenge. But when you do get to the point where it stops being easy, that's when you actually force yourself to get rid of stuff that you know you're not going to use. So anyway, so let's put this back. Ooh. Okay, all right. And then I'm going to give these away to family members or friends who just want to finish it up, because a lot of people that I know would rather not spend the money or just don't care to finish off what I've already started. So yes. Anyway, thank you guys. I'm just gonna end it right here actually. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this video was a little bit inspiring for you on how to, you know, clean up a space, make it very easy on yourself. Just tackle one area. Clean up as much as you can and then declutter what you're supposed to declutter. And you should be able to at least figure something out. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. If you liked what you saw and if you were inspired, if I taught you something, whatever, please feel free to click on the coffee link below, because coffees help make me survive and they support my channel. And also follow me on Instagram, which is Lana Reese. Okay, see you later. Bye. There we go. But believe me, it's gonna get hard.